Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove someone from Snapchat group. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Group chats on Snapchat are somewhat labelless. Instead of leaving control to the person who set up the chat, anyone can change the name of the chat and add new member to the group. So now, what if you want to remove someone from the group chat on Snapchat group? It's so simple. So first of all, you can just open your Snapchat apps. You can go to the conversation, to the chat section. You can choose on the group that you want to remove the member, like this one for the example. Now you can just open the group info. Here's the member, the group member. You can just choose on the member that you want to remove. You can tap and hold on the member. There is an option remove from group. You can just tap on that. Remove, tap on remove. So now we have removed the account, that person from this group. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove someone from Snapchat group chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.